In interest of time, maybe we can take one or two questions. Wiley?
So I always get a little skeptical when I see curves coming together, going apart, and then the final endpoint happens to be the point where they came apart. Can you comment on why you think the information at week 100 is more important than the immediate time point before, which looks like they're all on top of one another?
So when you look at the study, there were 6 key visits at baseline, week 12, 24, 52, 76, and 100. At all those time points after baseline, the aflibercept data came out on top, and it was only at week 76 that the lines converged. Even at that point, the hierarchy of aflibercept ahead of Lucentis, ahead of bevacizumab was preserved. So I think we would take the view that the 76-week visit was the exception rather than the other 4 visits.
Okay. One other question, if anyone has it. If
So
not,
could you share why you think CRVO is different from other conditions? Because you're stating that bevacizumab is less comparable to the other agents for CRVO than have been demonstrated in trials for other conditions. What's different about CRVO?
I think that the Protocol T results suggest there may be a difference with bevacizumab compared to the licensed agents in those patients with less good visual acuity. So it may be that there are slight differences in other conditions. I think also there perhaps isn't a huge amount of data comparing bevacizumab with aflibercept in age-related macular degeneration as well. Ivan and Cat studies mainly comparing it with Lucentis. So I think maybe there is a small difference, but that difference only becomes apparent between later in the course of this study as you begin to separate the visits in terms of time between visits.
great. Thank you. And I'd like to thank the speaker and the panelists.